My name is Tarn, I'm a Nifty producer, and this is my desk. First, this table is pretty scratch up. I'd love to find a more permanent solution and put something over it. Second, this wire situation drives me nuts. Third, I need more space for all of my stuff. Fourth, I'd really like it if my plants don't die all the time. We'll start with the scratches. I can't afford a new desk, but I can totally afford these. It's like a giant piece of sticker. Now, these wires, I sorted them into 3 piles. Everyday, rarely used, and I don't even know what these are, so I'm just gonna give them away. Now, let's tackle the space issue. I found this cabinet shelf riser at a discount store. I think it's meant for a kitchen pantry, but it works perfectly for my situation. Look how much more I can fit. For my plant, I found out you can easily create a self-watering system. I think this is a pretty awesome transformation. I learned that you don't need a ton of time or money to give something in your life a makeover. So stop pushing it back.